Alright, hello my friends and welcome. This is Mark Gray from TWIM. Now, I was talking with a friend last night. I've been helping him build several YouTube channels actually. And one of the things that I noticed when I was checking out this new channel he created was that his videos were already ranking. But when I went to the home page here, there was nothing. So it almost looks like there's no content on the home page. So if I click videos, the videos are not there or unlisted. By the way, this is not my friend's channel. This is a channel from that I made 11 years ago trying to promote something or other. Anyway, so how do we fix this problem of having no videos on the home page? So you know this is my home page here, and you can see there's like a kind of welcome video. All of the different playlists are in order, so they look pretty cool. You know, so anybody who lands on your home page is going to be like, oh, okay, that's cool. This is cool. But this does not look cool. Now this doesn't have the channel art or the avatar either. Remember, this is a very old channel that I just dug up and found, and I was like, okay, I can use this as an example. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to customize channel. All right, you can see that. Any questions, remember guys, stick them below. I'm happy to help. If you want to have a more detailed video on how to optimize everything, I'll do that as well. So the first tab is profile, and that's where you can add in your banner. So this is the banner, like you can see at the top. This is your profile picture or avatar, whatever you want to call it. That's me with a silly expression in my face wearing a pink t-shirt. Need to change that, I think. And then here and below that, sorry, we have different things like a description, the name of your channel, and there's a lot more things that we can do here, like adding affiliate link, social media links and different things. But we'll cover that in another video. So you go to Home tab. All right. Now you want to click Add Section. Now these videos are not unlisted. They're not private. You know, they're just regular videos. They're just not showing up on the home page. So we just want to click Videos. All right. Now these two videos should now, after we click Publish, always remember to click Publish, guys. Okay. A lot of the time, people like my students will do exactly what I say and then come back and say, but then when I went to my channel, it wasn't there. I say, did you click publish? And they're like, oh yeah. So a lot of people forget to do it. I forget to do it. So click publish and boom, that's that done. Now let's just refresh the channel. There you go. We now have videos on the home page and under videos as well. But we can do one more thing that I would really recommend that you do, because it makes the channel look a lot better. Now, some people use this for their latest video. Some people use it as a welcome video. So that's completely up to you what you want to use this for. But when we add this, you'll see how cool it looks. So it's called the channel trailer or welcome video. Now you can add the channel trailer, right? So you'll see how it looks. It looks very good once we add it. You can add the channel trailer, and then you can add the spotlight. They've changed the name of this for some reason, YouTube. And that is for people who have already subscribed to your channel. So they will see a different video rather than the welcome video or the channel trailer video. So that's quite a cool thing to be able to do. That's why on my channel you're not seeing the welcome video, because I'm the channel I'm logged in with here. I must have subscribed to my own channel already. So yeah, that's probably why. So we can go in here and click channel trailer. Click this one. And again, publish. And now let's go have a look at our refresh, our home page. Now it's actually starting to look pretty good. We just need to get the, you know, the avatar or profile picture in. We need to get the banner in there. Oh, sorry, and you know, get a description in there. Add, you know, some social media links, and boom, this channel's ready to go. So there you go. That's how you fix the video on the homepage. And as a little bonus, how you add in like a welcome video or your latest video that you want people to see when they come to your channel. All right, guys, thanks for watching. A like and a subscribe would be nice, of course. Don't have to, but it would be nice. And leave a comment below. That really helps with the algorithm. Okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks.